All right, how do we do a screen recording? Well, first off, I'm going to show you how to open QuickTime. So I search in the top right corner, the little magnifying glass, type QuickTime. And QuickTime Player also has a screen recording option on the Mac. This window will open up. I'll click cancel. I don't need that. At the very top of the screen, it says QuickTime Player. I click File, drag down to New Screen Recording. It will select most of the desktop probably. You're probably going to see this. You can select just the area you want. Under Options, make sure that you have the Mac microphone selected. Okay, that should be the default, but make sure you have that. Then hit record. And what's going to happen is in the very top of the screen, you're going to see a circle right around here, a circle, white circle with a little clear square in it. That is the stop button. And there's a orangish light in the top right corner up in this area that shows that it's actually working right now. And the video does not need to be long. So it's just grabbing the screen and it's recording your voice. You're going to put a link here when we're done. So what we do is do the recording, and then let's say it's my game design stuff with the game engine and where I need to do for milestone 1, 2, 3, whatever. It could be something with GarageBand, whatever it is on the desktop. You just kind of click and drag and point to what's going on for the milestone. And then when you're done, you click the stop button at the very top, and you can see right here is the video. If I hit play, at the very top of the screen, you're going to see a circle. So I can close this, and what you're going to see over on the desktop is a screen recording. Not this. Let me actually get rid of that. This right here. And what you want to do is title it. So if I click once, if I click, hello. Now, come on. Oh, there we go. So you have to click once and wait, and then click a second time. Click once, wait, a second time. Okay, well, I don't know why, but I want to retitle it. So there's a couple different ways you can do this. And I'll do rename right here, which I just did control click. Let me do that again. If I hold down the control key on the Mac, click on the title here, go to rename, I can then call it Milestone 1. Okay, yay. Next, I'm going to go to my Google Drive. Now, I recommend making a folder. Okay, make a folder, call it milestones or something. Okay, I just did that. And inside this folder, drag the video. Once it's in there, we're gonna wait for it to finish, okay? Then what we wanna do is click on it and then click the plus human shape thing and make it so that anybody can see it, and then copy the link, okay? Click done. Then we go over to the project tracking sheet, and let's say this is milestone 1. I will highlight this, click on the link icon here, paste in that, and voila. If it's public, we'll be able to see it, and the title will show up automatically, and that's what you'll be doing for each one of the milestones. So this is true for any of the classes. That is how you use QuickTime, how you do a screen recording while narrating what you're doing, and then saving it into your Google Drive, sharing it properly, getting a link, and putting it into the project tracking sheet. Thanks for watching.